Hi, you guys. I am so excited that you chose to join United Credit Education Services. Okay, I am so excited because you wanted a better life for you and your family. Even if you do not have children, you wanted a better life for yourself. You want to become a better version of you. So, I am your agent, Cora. I was the one that signed you up, and I just wanted you guys to see who I am face to face. I also wanted to do this quick video on welcoming you into the program and how to walk you through your portal. So the reason why I'm doing this video, or the reason why I've done this video, is because I really don't have a lot of time to, walk you through the process over the phone, because I have like so many other customers. So, and it's gonna take, if I stay on the phone and walk you through each and every, step, like it's basically gonna take up like a lot of time. Like probably be on the phone for like maybe an hour or maybe two. So I'm just gonna do this quick video. And again, I welcome you. I am so grateful. I thank you that you chose me to be your specialist, to help you get yourself together. Don't forget that the phone number to United Credit Education Services is inside of your email. So you make sure you save the number. It's a 248 number. You make sure you save that 248 number just in case you need to call them. If you need me, you can always reach out to me. I will be available for you to answer any questions. But I'm just going to go ahead and, get you guys started on the process. So, okay, you guys. So, as promised, right? This is your protection plan. What's going to happen is, once you enter in here, you're going to use your email and your password. Your password is going to always be the last 4 digits of your social. So you don't have to make up a password. You're just going right into it. It's going to say, welcome to protection plan. Okay. As I told you guys that I am a product of the product. So that's why you see my name, right? Your shop for less. We all have 3 boxes when we first enter it. You have your shop for less. Mine say enrollment marketing. Of course, for my agents, yours is going to say the same thing. Okay. So you have a shop for less app. Basically, because you are an active member, you now have access to an app that is designed to save you money with businesses that you love. Shop for Less is a cashback program that can be combined with other credit card and store rewards to give you an average of 5.4% back on purchase. So we're not going to talk about that. We'll talk about that another day. Right now, we're just going to access you into the protection plan. This is what your dashboard looks like, everyone. Okay, your dashboard looks just like this. Now, this is your 12 services, which is right here and right here. Okay, you have, this part is blue, this part is different colors, but you have each, you have both places to access anything it is that you need. Okay, this is your next payment date. That's always down there, so you will always know your payment date. This is the card that is stored on file for you, and this is all the videos that basically you have access to helping you learn financial literacy. So once we get into this, we are going to take you, well, I am going to take you to Roadmap. Your UCES protection plan roadmap. Basically, this is month 1, okay? This goes up to 12. So it goes up to 12 months. This is where you are, this is what you are going to follow for the next 12 months or less, or however time you have to follow it. But this is your map. This is you're going to get started right now by activating your services. So what I want you to do is click all 3 boxes. 1, it's going to say thank you. 2 and 3. You are about to activate your credit restoration, begin your credit monitoring, and set up privacy armor identity theft. This is what you're about to do. Now, on this side, you have 3 videos for each one that can explain every detail to you, okay? Also, here's the 248 number that I was saying in the first, that I was saying in the beginning of the video. This is your 248 number. Anytime you have a question or anytime you have something that you want to express, or, you have questions about your protection plan, you always call them. Remember, they operate out of Farmington Hills, Michigan. They are on Eastern Central Time. What I'm trying to say, Eastern Standard Time. Oh, Lord. Where is my vocabulary at today? Now, what we are going to do, don't worry about this. You guys don't have that. We are going to go straight into the budgeting. I like to walk my customers down step by step, while we're getting everything done. Your budgeting benefits are detailed categories to track your spending, compare your income to expenses, monitor changes month by month, and create future budgets. This is where you are able to select your budgets, whatever budget you have. You have a video on this as well. Here's the video with the big button. Bam, you can always watch that, okay? Always get knowledge for yourself, okay? Me personally, I don't pay for things that I can't utilize. And if I learn, I like to learn. So I'm going to watch these videos. But anyway, they give you tips, quiz, and you have questions and answers right here. So that's the budgeting menu. Now we're going to go to credit restoration. In your credit restoration, once you getting started, it's going to basically have you accept and agree. Basically, you're accepting to have us pull your credit report. Remember, I don't see what's on your credit. That's between you and United Credit Education Services, okay? Basically, mine's is green, but yours is going to be red. Yours is going to say pull credit. Once you pull credit, you're going to wait a day or two, and then they're going to load them, your disputes onto your portal, okay? And that's exactly how that's going to work. But inside of the assets, I'm going to take you inside. Inside, you are going to have your dashboard, progress report, process report, PDF. This is where you are going to find and download your disputes, you guys. So what they're going to do is they're going to send you an email stating that your disputes are ready for download, okay? Once you get your disputes, they will be exactly in this portal right here. Now, I have already utilized mine, but it's going to be a big red download button. Download that, okay? And you download that day. This is the addresses to Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Okay? So that's how you utilize that. And then, you have understanding your dispute letters, credit education, establishing credit, debt and collection, student and seniors info. So you have a lot of information that you guys can utilize on this app, okay? Please utilize it. Please utilize it. Next, I'm going to take you to Credit Builder. You have a video on credit building your credit. You have a quiz on that as well, forms and documents, tips and techniques. This basically, Credit Builder, you learn what creates your credit score, you test your knowledge of credit basis, find answers to your financial questions, and utilize our credit management tips and techniques. That's what that is for, okay? And then we're going to go to your credit attorney button. Your credit attorney, that's for debt harassment, credit reports, errors, and you can contact your attorney, and you have credit questions and answers on there as well. So that's what your credit attorneys are for. You make sure you utilize them. If you have to contact them, you contact them right here through your back portal. Bam. And that's how you're able to contact them if you have any questions on why certain things isn't coming off, or debt harassment, or whatever it is. You have access to that. Now we're going to go to credit monitoring. Credit monitoring. You are not a member yet. So now you're going to sign up, because you're not a member yet, of Smart Credit. Smart Credit is basically the app that gives you your FICO score. So you're going to fill out all of your information. Then you're going to verify your identity. They're going to ask you some questions. So make sure you know the questions, and you answer them correctly according to your credit report, okay, your credit file. And then you're going to complete it. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to come back out, and then we're going to secure your login. You're going to log straight in, okay? So you have your score tracker, credit builder, and score master, and your future score. So your score tracker is, let's say, is 551. Score builder, by taking action with the source, you can increase your points up to 90 points or 80 points, whatever it says on yours. And then your future score, wherever they want your future score at, okay? Then you're going to hit the buttons to, I'm so sorry, I'm going a little bit too fast. Then you got your score tracker. So this basically tells you where your auto insurance and stuff is at. I'm going to go ahead and click on that for you for 1 second. Hold on. So with this, you're going to have your credit score, auto score, insurance score, and your hiring risk index. All of these place factors. So yes, that's going to, and then we have videos on that as well to walk you through everything on that as well. So all you got to do is just, Utilize your videos, you guys. That gives you all the information that you need, okay? Then you have your debt payoff. Your debt payoff video that reduces your payment time, reduce money spent on interest, requires no extra income, and requires no line or credit or consolidation. To learn more info, video. Knowledge is the key to building your credit. You want to build your own credit. Yes, we do the work for you, but you want to learn yourself as well. Then your financial lockbox. This is one of my favorites because you can ask your, let's say you go on a boat and you go to the Bahamas, right? And then bam, you lost your passport or whatever, your birth certificate. Well, you put all of your important information, all your important documents inside of the financial lockbox. I think that is like really, really cool. Then you have identity monitoring. Remember, you get up to $1 million in identity theft. Basically, what you're going to do is you're going to access it. It's a red button. Mine isn't red anymore because I'm already in the program. You're going to access it, and then they're going to send you your password and everything, all the other information via email. And that's how you get started on that, okay? And it's a video, which is 2 minutes and 4 seconds. Make sure you watch your videos, you guys. On my agents, we are the ones with the life insurance. Net worth. Everyone has a net worth. So basically you track all of your assets, liabilities, and calculate your net worth. View your changes over time. You have a video on how to, and make sure you watch it. Savings goals. This is where you can save what you're trying to save. Your money. But we have a video on that as well. Make sure you watch it. You set your personalized goals, create a plan of action, launch multiple goals at one time, as many as you want. And you have text reminders as well. So like, let's say whatever it may be that you want to save, they're going to send you a reminder. That's an awesome, awesome tool. Will and trust. This is your will and trust. You're able to access it at any given time. Fill it out. Create your last living power of attorney. And we have a video on how to do that. I can't teach you how to do that. I am not a lawyer. And that's something that you will have to do on your own. And then last but not least, we have the Youth Family Literacy Family Mint Online. This is an online program for kids to teach your children or your nieces and nephews or your grandkids engaging exercises regarding finance, learn fun money facts, and understand financial vocabulary. So we also have a video on that as well. And that is going to complete this. And then you log out.